Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix thumbnails not showing in YouTube Studio. So if you are facing this issue, there will be a glitch or a bug, so we have to remove it. So how should you remove this? So what you have to do is, if you open the YouTube Studio application in your mobile, as you can see, these are the thumbnails. So if you are not seeing the thumbnails, first of all you have to go to the Play Store, and in the search bar just simply search for YouTube Studio here, and then you have to make sure that there is and you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of YouTube Studio. If there is any update, just make sure to update it, and same for the YouTube as well. Just make sure that you are using the latest version. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. So the update will solve your 90% problem, so make sure you always use the updated versions of these applications. After that, what you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings, scroll down and tap on this app management, then go for this app list, and then in the search bar just simply search for YouTube, and then just go for the storage and cache and simply tap on this clear cache and clear storage. So tap on this clear cache and tap on this clear app data and tap on the delete and just clear and refresh it from the beginning, and then go for the permissions and make sure all the permissions are allowed. As you can see, mine permissions are not allowed, so just tap on it and tap on this allow. So make sure allow all of them, and after that just restart your phone and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.